So I think elements of the sell-off are clearly justified, and I think there's two potential reasons for that. The first of those is the concern that, the global macroeconomic settings are going to worsen. We're going to be in a world of lower global growth, and we're going to be in a world of higher inflation for some economies. And I think the other reason why we're seeing such a strong market reaction is in part the policy uncertainty concern, because no one's crystal clear on where this is actually going to land in terms of the global trading arrangements.
短期的震荡在所难免。我国政府也已经启动了互惠因应的机制，确保我国产业在国际竞争力与进口的在出口的动能上，也相对于金融市场的稳定，亦有推出了相关的因应政策。
And so I think the uncertainty at the present point in time is thinking through, do we end up in this risk situation where other countries will respond with tit-for-tat style retaliation, which is undesirable for global growth? Do you have a setting where particular countries will reach out and try and negotiate deals? Although the strong comments coming out of the US are that, these measures are firmly in place? Or do you get a situation where countries decide to tackle this by saying, part of our response is greater market access and greater liberalisation to other parts of the global economy that would provide a partial offset? Now, I think as all that still works through, it adds significantly to uncertainty, and the uncertainty is well reflected in market volatility and in the indicators of market volatility that exist that have jumped significantly in response. And I don't think that policy certainty is going to come for at least a little while. So I think we are in for an uncertain period.